Austin is categorically a city in a park, with 330 parks, from greenbelt to regional parks, community parks, neighborhood parks, to urban civic parks.
There's no end to the amount of work that needs to be done in the parks. The city doesn't have the resources to do it all. They rely on volunteers, and that's where APF comes in organizing volunteers, training them, supplying them tools.
In addition to providing volunteers, APF has provided mulch sleds, wheelbarrows, rakes, pitchforks.
We really relied on the Parks Foundation very heavily for financial services, and that's one of the great things they offer, is to be the fiduciary agent for people like ourselves, who are groups that want to do good works in the parks.
The Austin Parks Foundation has been fabulous. The programs director meets with us monthly to help us understand what challenges we're facing on implementing various grants or how to write the grants, just general support for our park adoption team.
Without the help that we receive through the Austin Parks Foundation, working with neighborhoods and other groups to make improvements in parks and on trails, the volunteer efforts, we just would not be able to do some of the things we're doing.
Austin Parks Foundation has been really great at getting good volunteers to come to the park for various projects. We had almost 1,000 hours in the park in volunteer labor last year.
The Parks Foundation was integral in making all the pieces come together with the city to get what we need to get the permissions to get it done.
By having Austin Parks Foundation on our side as kind of an outreach organization, it gives us a lot more credibility and likelihood of being approved as we approach all these many organizations that have to review and approve whatever we propose here.
I can't say enough good things about the Austin Parks Foundation. They were our mentor, our muse. They got us going back in 2008 when we first formed our organization. They help you with your fundraising, they help you with your messaging with the neighborhood. They're really an incubator for park groups all over the city.
We've learned how to forge trails, how to remove invasives, how to use tools safely. The mini grants, the tool shed, everything about APF has enabled us to do this beautification work.
Without the Austin Parks Foundation, we definitely could not make the impact we have to provide a safe place for children and families to be more physically active.
We want these parks to be here for a lifetime, and to do that, we need people to volunteer. We need people to get behind the Parks Foundation and say, how can I help?
We wouldn't be here without all the amazing support we've received and continue to receive. You know, and it's just a testament to our city that so many people care about parks, and the Parks Foundation is just really lucky to have been in a position to assist people that care enough to do something about our parks.
I think that the Parks Foundation allows us to connect with each other, come out here and meet one another and enjoy being together and working together and trying to do something that will last for generations in this community.